The first thing you need is the Python software. In other words, you need a Python interpreter. Python interpreter is a piece of software that understands your Python code and then translates it to appropriate machine language that your computer's operating system can understand. Different operating systems need different interpreters. I'm on a Windows machine, so I need the Python interpreter that can translate my Python code to the appropriate machine language that a Windows-based machine can understand. But if you're on Linux, you'll need a different interpreter than mine, right? And you can get Python for your machine from the website python.org. So visit python.org, go to Downloads, select your operating system and install Python. I recommend you get the latest stable release of Python from here. I'm using Windows, so I select Windows and choose 64-bit one. Mine is a 64-bit system. And at the time of recording this video, the latest Python release is 3.7. So I select the correct installer.exe file from here and get Python in my system. Very straightforward process. Just follow the instructions, click on next, and you'll get Python installed. And then how to check if you have got Python installed correctly. Simple. Go to command prompt, type Python --version and press enter. If the Python is installed successfully, you should see the build, the version number, etc. in the next line. If you are not able to install Python this way, just search on Google and follow the installation steps according to your operating system. I'm assuming you got your copy of Python in your machine. Good job on this. Now let's get started.